Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to check Google Forms that you have already filled out. Google Forms does not automatically save a list of all submitted forms. However, you can still review your responses if the form owner allows it. First, check your email inbox for any confirmation message. Many forms send a copy of your responses after submission where you can click View Score. If the form doesn't allow edits or send confirmation emails, try opening the same link again. Some forms allow you to view or edit your responses using the Edit Your Response option. In some cases, the form owner may not allow edits. If edits are disabled, you may still be able to view your score by reopening the form link. Google Forms does not provide a central dashboard for viewing submitted forms. Keeping track of form links or confirmation emails is the best way to review past submissions. And that's it. You've learned how to check Google Forms you have already filled out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.